Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Polo Life 1.0 TSI with 95 horsepower and a sleek grey exterior. This fuel-efficient hatchback is loaded with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and multiple airbags for safety. With ABS, LED lights, and a collision avoidance system, you can drive with peace of mind on every journey. Plus, the interior offers luxury trim, cup holders, and plenty of storage space. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Contact us at laharts.ie for more information today.